Is there enough material to support my research project? I'm using the documentary, The Central Park Five, as my search example. The story about how 5 teens were compelled to give false testimony against themselves in the rape of a jogger in Central Park, resulting in their imprisonment, demonstrates how people's stories are representations of what they believe is the truth, which we can't necessarily believe is the truth. Researchers look at multiple people's stories, their representations of their truths, to find the real story. But I'm not there yet. I need to figure out what I'm interested in researching about the Central Park Five. I start with Google to see what other people are talking about. The first page is media stuff, articles in newspapers, the Ken Burns documentary, articles about the Netflix documentary. I notice from the beginning that there's no neutrality. From the first link, Wikipedia calls it the Central Park jogger case rather than the Central Park Five. It focuses on the injustice to the woman rather than the injustice to the boys. I'm not looking for unbiased sources because there aren't any. So I'll stick to sources where I can clearly see the point of view. For example, the Wall Street Journal uses inflammatory language to discount the Black-directed documentary on Netflix. Here's an idea. I could focus on media as a voice for systemic racism and also a voice for activist change. And I could explore how these voices in the media affect the Central Park Five story. If I do, what keywords would I need to go deeper? And by go deeper, I mean hear from other people talking about the idea I want to explore. I'll try the keywords media and Central Park Five. I put Central Park Five in quotation marks so it'll search as a chunk, not just 3 words separate. I'll try one search from the Ray Howard Library at Shoreline Community College to start. This discovery tool searches over the library, including books, journals, newspapers, encyclopedias, magazines, and films. But I'll show that in the next video.